In this video, I will be showing you how to connect your A-series device to Wi-Fi. First, click Settings. Put in the temporary password 9876. Click the word Wi-Fi. Turn Wi-Fi on by clicking the slider button in the top right-hand corner. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the passcode, if there is one. I'll wait for the network to connect. Finally, click the red X button twice to return to the main screen. You will remain connected to the Wi-Fi. Well done! You have connected your device to Wi-Fi. For more information, contact 1-888-773-1222 or email us at sales@theposcloud.com.